Hello students, I am back with another lecture on Civics Chapter 3, How the State Government Works. In 6th standard, you have read that there are 3 divisions or 3 levels of government in our country. At the top, national government or central government or union government. Second level of government is related to the state government, and the bottom level of the government consists of the local government or Panchayati Raj system. In your previous class, you have read about Panchayati Raj system, how rural government, rural level local government, urban local government, they work. In this chapter, in class 7th, you are going to learn about how the state government works. So here, let's start with the chapter. There are certain key terms which are very important, and you will come across it whenever you are reading this chapter. First, constituency. It is a particular area from which all the voters living there in that particular area choose their representatives. This could be a panchayat ward or an area that chooses an MLA. MLA stands for Member of Legislative Assembly. Majority. This is a situation when more than half the number in a group supports a decision or an idea. This is also called as a simple majority. Opposition. This refers to elected representatives who are not members of the ruling party and who play the role of questioning government decisions and actions, as well as raise new issues for consideration in the assembly. Press conference. A gathering of journalists from the media who are invited to hear about and ask questions on a particular issue and are then expected to report on this to the larger public. Legislative Assembly is the lower house of the state legislature. Legislative Council, it is the upper house of state legislature. Now here, the power of Legislative Assembly is quite similar to that of Lok Sabha at the central level, and the power of Legislative Council, it's quite similar to Rajya Sabha. India consists of 28 states and 9 union territories. In order to ensure a smooth governance of these units, the government in India functions at 3 levels. First, central. Second, state. Third, local. Whenever we divide our work, whenever we decentralize the power, it becomes easy for us to monitor the condition around. The government at the state level performs three major functions: make laws or execute laws, means implementation of laws, protect laws from being broken, along with resolving disputes in accordance with the law. These functions are performed by three major organs: legislature, executive, judiciary. Legislature always makes laws. The function of executive is to execute laws or to implement such laws. And there is always judiciary, which takes care of the laws or protect the laws from being broken. State legislature consists of two houses: Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. Legislative Assembly. All states of India have a Legislative Assembly. That means there are 28 states and all states are having a Legislative Assembly. It is the lower house of the state legislature. It consists of representatives directly elected by the people. During the assembly elections, a state is divided into smaller units called constituencies. The candidate elected in each of these constituencies become the members of the Legislative Assembly. Qualification to become an MLA. What all qualification is required to become a member of Legislative Assembly? First, the candidate should be a citizen of India, should be a voter in any constituency of the state, should not be less than 25 years of age, should not hold any executive position under the government of India or state government, should be of sound mental health, should not be bankrupt. Now the officers or the members of Legislative Assembly. The meetings of Legislative Assembly are presided over by the Speaker. The Speaker is elected by the members of Legislative Assembly among themselves. In the absence of Speaker, the Deputy Speaker conducts the proceedings of the Assembly. He or she is also elected by the members of the Assembly. In Legislative Assembly, we have a Speaker, and in Lok Sabha also, we have a Speaker. Lok Sabha meetings are also chaired by a Speaker. Powers and functions. The Legislative Assembly performs three types of functions: legislative, financial, and monitoring. Let's learn into a bit detail. Legislative, that means The assembly makes laws on a particular subject which has been provided to them by the Constitution of India. It may be the subject of police, public health, local government, agriculture, and so on. Financial. The assembly passes money bills or proposals related to the financial requirements of the government, imposition of it, regulation and repealing of taxes, along with the salaries of member of Legislative Assembly. Monitoring. The Assembly monitors the functioning of the Council of Ministers by analyzing the policies undertaken by them, asking them questions related to the policies and pointing out the flaws in the policies. That means it supervises, its function is also to supervise the work of the Council of Ministers. The Assembly can also make the Council resign if it is not satisfied with the functioning of the government. Strength and term. According to the Constitution of India, the maximum strength of Legislative Assembly should not exceed 500, while the minimum number of members should not be less than 60, except in case of Goa, Mizoram and Sikkim. The members of Legislative Assembly are directly elected by the people for a term of 5 years. However, it can be dissolved before the completion of 5 years by the governor. Governor in Hindi we call him or her as Rajyapal. This is the second house of the state legislature and also the upper house. It consists of the members elected by MLAs of the respective states, members of local bodies, graduates, and teachers of secondary schools. Some of the members are also nominated by the governor from among the people who have special knowledge or experience in the field of art, science, literature, social service, and cooperative movement. Qualification to become a member of Legislative Council. It is the same as that of Legislative Assembly, except that the candidate should not be less than 30 years of age. Rest all qualification are same as Legislative Assembly. Officers. The meetings of Legislative Council are chaired by the chairman or in his absence, deputy chairman. Both the officials are elected by the members of the council from among themselves. Powers and functions of Legislative Council. It can suggest amendments to the proposed laws or bills introduced by the Legislative Assembly. whenever a bill or a law is introduced in Legislative Assembly, and if the Council feels that there should be some change or amendment is required, it can suggest. It can also initiate discussions on various matters. Strength and term. The strength of Legislative Council is 1/3 of the Legislative Assembly of the state. It is a permanent house whose 1/3 members retire every second year. It is a permanent house whose 1/3 members retire every second year. Only 6 Indian states, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra and UP have bicameral legislatures. That means only these 6 states have 2 houses at the state level, Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council, whereas the rest of the states consist of only Legislative Assembly. Here I would like to end my lecture. In next video, we will learn about the executives and their powers. Thank you.